In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset password on Microsoft Teams. If you use Microsoft Teams regularly, keeping your account secure is really important, and changing your password is a simple way to do that. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can update your password without any confusion. To begin, open your Microsoft account and sign in. Since Microsoft Teams is connected to your Microsoft account, this is where you'll manage your password settings. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before moving on, especially if you use more than one Microsoft login for work, school, or personal use. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the page and find your profile icon. Click on it to open the drop-down menu, then select View Account. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage important details related to your login and security. After that page opens, look again toward the top right area. You should see a Change Password button. Go ahead and click it. The page will reload and bring you to the password update section. Now you'll see two fields. In the first field, enter the new password you want to use. In the second field, re-enter the same password to confirm it. This helps make sure there are no typing mistakes. Keep in mind that your new password must be at least 8 characters long, and it is case sensitive, so uppercase and lowercase letters are treated differently. It's a good idea to choose something strong but still memorable for you. You may also notice an option that says make me change my password every 72 days. If you want an extra reminder to keep your account secure, you can check that box. This setting can be helpful if you prefer to update your password regularly as part of your security routine. Once everything looks correct, click Save. That will apply your new password to your Microsoft account. And that's it. Your password has now been reset, and you can continue using Microsoft Teams with your updated login details. Just remember, the next time you sign in, you'll need to use the new password instead of the old one. If you found this helpful, follow along for more simple Microsoft Teams tutorials and account management guides.